Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to tell you about our Gen 1 Compact Sit-On Creeper Retrofit Kit. This kit includes the new mini creeper, the foam cushion, the new design side trays with the clips to hold them in place, as well as the accessory bottle holders. This video will also be useful to those of you who purchased an original Compact Sit-On Creeper fully outfitted and simply want to purchase just the mini creeper to install onto your original Compact Sit-On. The only tool you need for this job is a 4mm hex driver or Allen wrench. Super simple and easy to set up. I'm going to go ahead and switch these work surfaces here and we'll get started disassembling our Compact Sit-On Creeper. Alright, so we're ready to disassemble our Compact Sit-On Creeper Gen 1. I have my 4mm hex driver, and of course you're going to need your trusty instruction sheet. Make sure that you did not throw this away. If you accidentally did throw it away, you can download it from our website as well. It's going to give you full instructions on how to do this nice and easily. But to start, step 1, we're going to loosen all 4 of the top screws. Seen here, you have 2 on this side and 2 on the back side. Start at the back and then we'll flip it around using one of our ratcheting combi drives to make this easier, but of course a good old Allen wrench will work as well. You don't need to remove these at this point, simply loosen them. 4 or 5 turns is going to be plenty to make the next step nice and easy. So we got all 4 of those loosened. Now we are going to lay the creeper on its back like so. Remove the drawer and set the drawer to the side. Just get that out of the way so that this process is a little bit easier to do here. So now we are going to loosen and remove these last 2 here. Alright, make sure you place your hardware in a spot that it's not going to roll away. Alright, now we're going to remove the last 2 at the back. Leaving these installed and not removing them all together ensures that the rods inside don't end up spinning in case you don't loosen them all at once. Makes it a little bit easier on you. You will need those fasteners again, so make sure you don't lose them. So now turn it back over so that your drawer is facing up, and then we're going to remove these bottom 2 here. So remove your bottom 2. You'll take this front panel off, and that will allow you to remove the top seat as well as the seat rods that you're going to reuse to install your mini creeper. So go ahead and take those all the way out. Like so. And now we can pull the bottom off of the frame, and that allows you to remove the top. So it has this small rib here that locks into your seat top. So you're gonna have to pull the bottom off the frame and then give it a little bit of a wiggle like I did before it releases from that channel in the seat. Go ahead and set that to the side. At this point, I'm gonna take out my old trays because they've already come loose. And now we can remove our top seat. So pull out your 2 rods like so, and now your seat comes off nice and easy. This piece, the drawer housing, is going to be loose, so make sure that that stays in its slots. If it doesn't, you'll have to reinsert those as you're reassembling. So you no longer need this piece, so we're going to go ahead and toss that on the floor. Going to move this stuff around, grab my new mini creeper. And now we're gonna set it up with this. So, make sure I'm not dropping everything here. Got my 2 rods. So now these are going to go back in. So drop, sorry, I'm gonna need my front panel. Going to secure those pieces there. Again, make sure that your center drawer housing is still fitting into all of the slots. All right, there we go. So now we are ready to refasten everything. So now you're gonna thread in all 6 of your fasteners, starting with the bottom 2. These just need to be snug. Don't want to over tighten them. All right, so now we have all 6 fasteners reinstalled and tightened. The drawer housing is back in its place. Now we can install the mini creeper. Simply drop it onto the top and press it in place, and it is locked on. It locks on enough so that you can lift the creeper even if the side trays are full, but it is easy enough that you can release it by easily pulling up on one side with a foot propped on one of the casters to hold the creeper in place. Now we'll reinstall the drawer as well as our side trays. The side trays can be a little tricky because the clips have a nice tight tolerance to keep these from shaking around. My favorite way to do this: insert the tray at a 45-degree angle, press down, reach underneath the tray, push those clips back, and drop it on to the side frame rail like so. Again with the other side, push those clips back, and it snaps right into place. Now for the 2 accessory holders. These will drop in to the recesses in the side trays, and you can either just drop them in and leave them like so that they're easily removable if you want to take them off, or you can install the self-tapping screws that are included through the bottom of the trays to hold the cup holders in permanently so that they don't fall out. For more information on the Compact Sit-On Creeper Gen 1 Retrofit Kit, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage. Oh, and that you don't do that twice.